often asked. But had you ever, for just once, wondered about their reasons by yourself before you go and ask them about their situation, what's really happening to them?
Have you noticed them ever since beginning? Did you approach them personally?
Have you ever tried opening up to them? I guess it might be a no.
कहते हैं जंग हर जगह है, कहते हैं जंग हर जगह है, हर तरफा है और बाजी उसकी डोर. हाँ, इस जंग में कूदते सब लोग हैं. हाँ, इस जंग में कूदते सब लोग हैं, मगर जीते वो कुछ चंद लोग ही है. मगर वो जीते कुछ चंद लोग ही है जो सब कुछ गवा कर, सब हार कर, खुद को जरा सा संभाल कर आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. शय उन्हीं की होती है. लेकिन जो जिंदगी की तमाम दौलत पाकर, जिंदगी की हर खुशी पाकर भी जिंदगी से हताश रहते हैं और गमों में गुम रहते हैं, मात उनकी बस इतनी सी करीब होती है. अब तय हमें करना है कि हम जिंदगी के हर उतार चढ़ाव को अपना कर बाजी आखिर में जीते, या फिर आसान सा कोई रास्ता अपना कर, कोई सीधा सा रास्ता अपना कर पहले ही जीत हासिल कर ले और जिंदगी के आखिर में हार जाए.
Struggles are a part of life and it thus leads to emotional outbreaks in stress, tension, anxiety and anger, which further leads to depression.
But is it bad to have emotions of stress, anger, fear, sadness? Can we take a long break? A lonely break, being all by ourselves? Is it bad to behave weird sometimes? Are we ashamed? Are we ashamed of behaving like who we are? Crying out loud, laughing out loud? Because sometimes we feel like that. We feel like that.
Maybe it's wrong and unjustified to others, but it shouldn't be to you, and others too shall accept you as the normal one, despite of your mind weirdness and insane behavior every time. And if that particular person really worthy you in their own life, then definitely they won't ever ignore you, no matter what. And why should we distance ourselves from those people who don't like communicating or who don't like socializing with other people? Or you can say they avoid communicating or socializing.
Why do we need to eradicate overthinking and loneliness? And can't we get inspired and motivated from weird, strange things around us?
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता. इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा.
In spite of being broken, hurt, injured, we are not weak. We are strong. We are strong enough to fight back. We are strong enough to rise and shine over and over again. The hope, the urge to lead our life courageously leads us to the success, leads us to where we will stand in our future. No matter how many times we fall, no matter hundreds of times, thousands of hurdles we cross, but we'll rise again. We'll stand where we'll have to stand.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखलाते जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला, तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला, रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह.
What's the victory of your life? Climbing the clouds, reaching your goal, keeping the track of time. Ask yourself, what's the victory of your life? Holding the entire heavenly celestial entities in your fist. Traveling beyond your limit to the never-ending sky. Separating yourself from the entire crowd. Bring in the difference. So, answer. What's the victory of your life now?
Hey, thinking something? Did that song touch your heart? Did you feel something? Have questions tried or triggered your mind now after listening to those words? Let's get back to some answers now.
Strange, isn't it? We did feel each and every word here. The song, the meaning, the questions triggered us for a while. But what about the last phase? We will act matured and serious for over a period of time now. But what's next?
Can we not only share views or stories on medias about suicide cases, but act upon them? Like seriously, I'm talking to you like face to face. It's so heartbreaking, it's so devastating to learn that someone can end their life. They were feeling so low. They felt nothing that could save them. It's really heartbreaking. You know, sometimes people need someone to hear them, to listen to them, to sit and tell them that I'm there for you. I'm listening. No matter what, I'm there. Can't we look around us, learn people who really needs us right now, as a friend, as a sister, as a mentor, as a teacher, anything? Be there. Can't we be there? Is that a lot to ask for? No, right? At least we can lend our ears. We can empathize them. It's really sad that people ends their life. And it's so many cases are coming to the limelight, and there are so many else which we don't even know. Let's start the humanity work which we should be doing. It's high time. Let's help people, to save people, to live with people happily.
Let's come and join our hands together to fight for the real cause, to end the mental stigma, to end the mental health taboo. Let's fight for the true reason of the mankind.
Come with us, join our hands. Let's share emotions and feelings just like water and food.
Let's communicate, smile, act, and hope for a better new world created by the changed new us.